Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loading the numbers you will graph. Enter X values into L1 and Y values into L2 right away. Don't delay. Once done, enable StatPlot1 and choose the correct plot type and lists so the calculator uses L1 for X and L2 for Y. Make sure the window or zoom stat is set to include your data range, because incorrect window limits hide points. This step locks in your inputs and visual settings, so the next calculations use the same dataset. Next, decide which model you need and run the regression. Press Stat Calc, pick the appropriate fit, linreg, quadreg, xreg, and specify storing to Y1 or a variable for graphing. Execute the calculation and read the coefficients and R-squared value to judge fit quality. Higher R2 generally indicates a better fit. Then plot the fitted equation over your data and inspect residuals by calculating residuals in a new list. Consistent patterns mean choose a different model and reevaluate. Finally, extract the numbers you need from the fitted graph. Use trace or the table setting to read predicted Y for given X, or solve intersections with the graphing calc tools. For numeric answers, plug X into Y1 or use the regression formula shown. If results seem off, clear old plots, re-enter lists carefully, and reset the window with zoom stat. If residuals show structure, try a different model. One troubleshooting tip: recreate the plot with sample points to confirm the pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.